For me,
turns
beach,
you on?
syempre, yung water, and then tan, and body. Voice. How to stand out in the beach? Pag you're confident enough. Kahit, alam mo yun, kahit hindi ka with toned body. For me, mag-stand out ka pag masaya ka. Pag, ayun na, may go-getter ka. Kung saan sila comfortable. Kasi mahirap naman yung makikiuso ka, tapos sabay, pag nasa beach ka, alam yung, magsusot ka pa rin ng t-shirt, ayusin mo, alam mo wala ka ng boobs, pero pinipilit mo. Yung comfortable, kaya mong dalhin talaga.